So this is, as you see, there's water spilling out, and it's really just causing a huge mess. What's going on, guys? Tev here, and today we'll be going over how to fix your shower faucet. So first and foremost, let's go get the water supply turned off for the house before we get into anything. So in order to complete this process, you want to remove this back plate. And in order to remove that back plate, you want to take your handle off, and then you see I have these two screws. Okay, so now that we have everything removed, we'll go ahead and get our retainer sleeve out the way. And your retainer sleeve is pretty much that ring that's circling around the cartridge that's on the center. And so to remove that, all you need is a wrench. So then we can get a set of vice grips to pull that cartridge straight out. For this process, I will have to move my camera so that way any water that might be pressurized in there won't get on there. So once everything's removed, it's pretty much just going to be empty as such. And if you have a flashlight, or if you want, you can fill in there to make sure there's no leftover cartridge. And then what I would recommend is putting some type of grease on your new cartridge before sliding it back in. For my model, this is the cartridge that I put in there, and I got that from Lowe's. Alright, so my cartridge is back in place, and so now I'll just go ahead, make sure everything's tightened up, make sure that's good, and I will get that spout put back on. And here we are. So that part's going to just slide right on in there when you get it removed. Let me focus this. So it's just going to slide right on in there, and this is pretty much now how it should be. Once we get that part in there, it's not leaking.